Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Mari. Today I'm giving you a juicing recipe. This is a quick, refreshing, light, and just filling juice. It's my favorite juice actually. It is a quick apple, cucumber, and ginger juice. So let's get into it. So obviously the first thing you're gonna need is apples. I like red, some cucumber, and ginger depending on how spicy you like it. I go ahead and drop everything in. I like to mix them around. I'm using the Nama J2 juicer to do that. I give it a quick turn on, and as you can see, it starts working its magic, moving everything around. It's mixing everything up. As I said before, this juice is extremely refreshing. It is very light, but also filling. And like I said, I love ginger, so look at how everything just comes out so nicely. I love this juicer so much. And here's the finished product. I took a note from Jillian Berry, and I like to drink my juice out of a wine glass because I think it's so cool and funny. And you know, you deserve luxury. You don't have to drink wine and do so, but yeah, here's me taste testing it for you. Like I said, it's super good. It's my favorite juice to make. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and give it a like and subscribe to my channel. Let me know if you make this juice.